This is a preview of the lecture video available on the ultrasound educational website www.sonoshare.in on the topic Calculi and Calcification of the Urinary Tract, Part 2, the Ureter and Urinary Bladder. Short snippets of the various parts of the lecture video will follow. After the preview, if you would like to listen to the lecture video, please log into sonoshare.in because this is only a preview. Ureteric calculus. Now here it is in the upper ureter with dilated ureter above and the dilated pelvic alicel system. So here tracing the dilated ureter, we can find out the ureteric calculus. Find out a calculus in the actually in the junction of the upper and mid ureter. That it is due to calculus, and ureter may be dilated below the calculus also because of the common cause of over-distended bladder. So these are the myths of some more myths of about sonography. But here you see the bladder is empty, but still you are not dilated. But still you see the kidney and you see the for some time you see the ureteric peristalsis. With that you see the calculus in the upper ureter with shadow. So that ureteric peristalsis around the calculus, and also the calculus also moves. So that it confirms that it is ureteric, and you see the calculus in the upper ureter, confirming that it is use endovaginal scan or trade of the stent. This particular issue comes up when patient presents with acute pain and or with or without anuria, and they put a stent temporarily. Still you may trace and you may find a calculus or no calculus, or you may see a small calculus in the urinary bladder. Now you see in such a scenario that is normal. Now here you see the same clinical scenario. You see non-dilated ureter and no calculus, but you see edema of the ureter on ultrasound. Now here you see mild hydronephrosis, and you see a calculus in the mid ureter, not much dilatation, and there is a ureter which is causing obstruction. It may not be a calculus. In the vagina with the dribbling, then the suspicion is ectopic ureteric opening. So going back to the jet image, you see the ureteric jet on right side, tumor, whereas in tumor you see here that the ureter and you see a soft tissue mass to your advantage. You can see the supine, the calculus lying near the base of the bladder, and put the patient in left lateral decubitus, the calculus shift to the left lateral wall, confirming that it is associated with calculus. If it is polypoid, then it may be an associated transitional cell carcinoma with calculus. Now that is the bladder, and you see a polypoid mass in the bladder with concretions on the surface, which is seen here as a calculus fixed, and ultrasound and color Doppler you see flow within the mass, confirming that you see the bladder and you see an echogenic lesion in the lumen. This is a mesh plus a gas, so you must think of a fistula and with the bowel. This history of surgery for inguinal hernia makes a diagnosis of migrated mesh. This is the sagittal scan, that is the prostate. Just distal to the prostate you see the calculus. In transverse scan also. This you can the glans penis, and in the region of fossa navicularis you see the calculus with shadow. So ultrasound can pick up urethral calculus also. Having gone through the preview, if you wish to listen to the main lecture video, go to sonoshare.in.